Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and entering download mode. First, back up critical files to Samsung Cloud or a PC so you don't lose data. Once done, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging in settings. This lets your PC communicate with the device. Now power the phone off and use the correct button combination for your model to boot to download mode. This is essential because the downgrade tool works only from download mode. You'll now flash the official older firmware using Odin on a Windows PC. First, verify and download the exact firmware for your exact model number and region. Wrong firmware can brick the phone. Next, open Odin and load firmware files into the AP, BL, CP, and CSC fields per instructions. Use Home CSC to keep data if supported. Once connected and ID, COM lights up, press Start. Wait patiently while files install. Do not unplug. Interrupting this step risks corruption. You finish by rebooting and verifying the downgrade succeeded. After flashing, allow the phone a full first boot. Optimization can take several minutes, so be patient. Make sure the build number in settings reflects the older version, then restore your backup. If the device enters a boot loop or fails to start, re-enter download mode and reflash, correcting any file mismatches, or boot into recovery to wipe cache, and, if necessary, perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.